Namaste, welcome to Sisrekha's kitchen. Today I am making very tasty zucchini chutney. It is very simple to make but very tasty. I took one medium size zucchini, washed it, peeled it and cut into small pieces. Take all the pieces into a bowl and add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and about 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. If you cut it into very small pieces patiently, the chutney is going to be very tasty. If you cut into big pieces, it is not going to be very tasty. Here I already fried my spices in oil. I have 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 4 to 5 red chilies and some garlic cloves. I fried some curry leaves also. To these I added 1 teaspoon of thick tamarind paste and 1 teaspoon of homemade green chili paste. If you don't have green chili paste, use some green chilies. Now grind all these into a fine paste. If you want to know how to make this green chili paste, I will give the link below. You can try. So here is the ground paste. Add this to the zucchini pieces and mix it well. The chutney is going to be very tasty with the coriander seeds and sesame seeds flavors. I did not add any sweetener to it, but if you prefer, add a little bit of jaggery. It tastes really good with jaggery. I like to mix with my hand so all the spices are nicely blended into the zucchini. After mixing everything, I added the seasoning also. Actually, I lost my clip when I was frying these spices. So these are 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and a little bit of hing. I fried all these in oil and just adding to the chutney. And this chutney is going to be very tasty. It is spicy, sour, and you can also put a little bit of jaggery if you want a little sweetness, but I did not put it. You can eat this chutney with rice or chapati. I hope you like this chutney, and if you like, give me a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe for more healthy recipes and like my Facebook page.